his match.
What are you looking at me like that? You're a drunk. You're a loser. You know it's true. Yeah, and you can cross being a loser off your bucket list. You're there already, right now.
You hear what I'm saying?
That smells like crack. That is
That doesn't smell like crack.
What?
That's a lie.
I got a bum over here, and I got a slut next to you. Look, and you look at her.
Oh!
Yeah, this
Oh, look at that. Get up, girl. Let's go.
Hey, are you the sluts, right? Are you guys together?
We both sluts. And guess what? You're a jackass.
What?
You're a jackass. Your jokes is whack.
These are good jokes. These are good jokes.
No,
yeah,
it's
they're
not.
good jokes.
Oh, whack. Whack, whack, whack. Boom! I should have some tomatoes to go at you.
You're great!
Nice to meet you!
Oh my God! You're so
I
sweet.
see you on TV a lot.
Well, and this is part of He's just an actor. The homeless lady.
Oh!
Boy, you couldn't take it.
No, I couldn't. I'm like, hold on.
But you could have easily walked away.
I don't know, some pulled me. I don't know.
Whack, whack, whack.
Whack, whack, whack.
Back at the seaport, we whack John and Andy and send in April and May. May is the one with a bad attitude.
Hey, homeless lady, smell you later. Ow!
Now it's a female dummy dishing out the insults.
What would you do? Hey, homeless lady, could I get you something like self-respect or a work ethic?
It doesn't take long for this native New Yorker to speak up.
Hey, homeless lady, now you can take being a failure off your bucket list. You've already done it. Hey, man, it's not me, it's her. It's her. No, it's her. It's her.
Okay, when the cops come, they're gonna arrest both of them. How about that? Make fun of homeless people? You think that's funny?
I think my jokes are funny.
Okay, yeah, see if you arrest when the cops come.
Time to tell them it's what would you do?
Let us ask you why you stepped in. Nobody was saying anything. So everybody's in on this right here?
April and May are back on the mic, and now Shantora and her penguin show up.
The penguin wants a kiss.
That's right, this woman fashioned her own puppet to join in on the show.
Let's make fun of the homeless person together. Are you ready? All right. Sing with me.
The hurtful lyrics began.
She's got no house.
She's got no house.
She's a loser.
She's a loser.
Is she really singing along?
We're gonna sing a song about a cougar couple now.
Oh!
It's called She's So Old
She's
and She Thinks She's Young.
she's young and hard.
A moment of compassion. But then she's making up her own stinging lyrics.
He could be her son.
He could be her son.
In the end, she decides to abandon the show.
Yeah.
No.
All right, should we break it?
Let's break it.
It's time to introduce ourselves. Are you a ventriloquist?
I know. I saw her out here acting a fool, so I'm like, might as well come get in on the action.
Why did you do that?
She was having fun, so I wanted to come have fun with her.
But she was picking on
I
people.
know it's wrong, but it's funny. Then she started to cross lines, and I'm like, okay, this is getting a little wrong. I don't know if I want to be a part of this.
Although you had fun with it
I
for
did.
a little bit.
I'm not gonna lie, I did. It was cool while it lasted.
But it can't end soon enough for this man.
Look at the skank, everybody. Skank alert, everybody.
Talking about me?
Or should I call her by her proper name? Skankola McPhee.
Stupid.
Hey, Skankola, look at me.
So it's really supposed to be funny.
No, I'm not laughing. No. Love you.
What's the name of the show?
Of course I know this show, man.
How you doing, brother?
Pretty good. How you doing?